Hello everybody, it's Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life, and I'm here to do my March How to Kill a Kit with Style. I'm going back to the Vicki Boutin Storyteller collection. This is a collection I received almost the whole collection from Scrapbook Your Joy, guest designing for her back in November. I guest designed with Moira, and she gave us so much stuff. I didn't get through it all, so I pulled it out the other day to work on a layout and realized how much of it I still had left. And I thought like it would be a very good focus for March, trying to work through some sketches and all of that to see what I can do. So as you can see, I have a ton of ephemera left. So much ephemera left. Some of the stars, I still have a good amount of that left. The chipboard and sticker sheets, I still have a ton left to work through. This side I have a lot left to work through. This side is a little bit better off. I am planning on doing this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into a traveler's notebook spread, so that's already an idea I've got going on there. The alpha I can still do some titles with for sure, and then I've got 4 of these layered butterflies left, and hopefully I can get those used up. Paper wise, it's not too bad. I think it came, there are 24 double-sided sheets in all, and I have, let's count. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 full, I'm counting that, 12 full double-sided sheets left, so half of it, and then some scraps to work through as well. So half the paper pad left, that's not too bad, and I'm excited to kind of get going and work through it a little bit. There will be some layouts for sure, and then I'm planning on doing probably one Project Life spread of some kind, maybe just a couple little inserts for it, but there will be something probably Project Life themed, and then at least one Traveler's Notebook spread, maybe 2. We'll see what I can come up with. That is my kit. Stay tuned. I know it's 30 days of sketches. It's going on strong, and hopefully you'll see some of this intermixed. Otherwise, you will see these projects in April to wrap it up, and we'll just see where everything falls in line as to where I share my Kill a Kit for you. Please make sure you hop along and see what everyone else is creating or using as a kit this month, and I can't wait to get started. Thanks for watching. Bye.